In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card charges, reconcile, and apply partial payments in QuickBooks Online. We'll start with entering your credit card charges. In QuickBooks Online, you'll first go to the Expenses area. From there, click on the New button and choose Expense. On this screen, pay close attention to the Payment Account field. Instead of your checking account, make sure you select the correct credit card account because this tells QuickBooks that the purchase was made using that card. Then, fill in the rest of the transaction details, such as the payee, date, amount, and the category or account that best describes what you bought, like office supplies or travel. You can also add a memo if you want extra clarity later on. Once everything looks accurate, save the expense. Doing this consistently helps keep your credit card balance and your expense categories up to date. Next, let's reconcile your credit card statement. Reconciling is how you confirm that what's in QuickBooks matches what's on your actual credit card statement. To begin, navigate to the Transactions section and select Reconcile. Choose the credit card account you want to work on. Now grab your credit card statement and enter the ending balance and the ending date exactly as shown on that statement. QuickBooks will display a list of transactions it has recorded for that period. Carefully review and match these items with the charges and payments listed on your statement. Check off each one that matches. Your goal is to get the difference field down to 0. When the difference is 0, that means the QuickBooks balance and your statement balance are aligned. Only then should you click Reconcile to finish the process. If the difference is not 0, it's a sign that something is missing, duplicated, or entered incorrectly. Finally, let's cover how to apply partial payments to your credit card. If you're not paying the full balance and only sending a portion, you'll still record this as an expense. Go back to the new menu and select Expense again. This time, in the Payment Account field, choose the bank account that the payment is coming from. Enter your credit card company as the payee. On the Expenses tab, select your credit card liability account. In the Amount field, type the partial payment you're making, not the full balance. This tells QuickBooks that you've reduced what you owe by that specific amount. When you're done, select Save and Close. The remaining balance will stay on your credit card account and will show up the next time you reconcile.